Well, Braylorn Gold Mines is a recent producer. We started production in May of this year. We have about 28 million shares out that trade at $1.08 with no debt, no royalties, or no joint ventures. We have 2,500 hectares of property that can possibly host an additional 3.5 million ounces of gold, and formerly produced already 4 million ounces of gold. So we're moving ahead very aggressively right now. The commodity is very favorable for us to move back into production. We've identified new resources between the historic mines, and there's an old adage that says if you want to find a mine, either you look beside or underneath an old one. So that's exactly what we've done. We're located about 4.5 hours north of Vancouver, British Columbia, and it's paved road accessible all year round, so we're fully operational 365 days of the year. This time we have over 79% of the property of 2,500 hectares that's not explored. We could be looking at another 25, 30 years of production, so at this time, this is our primary focus. The essential aspect of investing in gold is to preserve wealth. And during world economic hard times as we see right now, the only way that we're going to preserve wealth is to purchase something that you cannot duplicate, something that has a value that is unlike anything else. And throughout history, it's been gold. It's been a safe haven for wealth for over 5,000 years. Currencies have proven over and over again to be faulty, especially with the United States printing currency the way they are. The European euro is not showing great stability either. So we encourage those to invest in the bullion itself. And for those who cannot afford it, we look towards junior companies to make their margins for profit, right? I would look at 20% bullion and another 15 to 20% in juniors. Of course, you want to have a little more stability in your portfolio as well, not just in bullion and juniors, but you could look at ETF, which invest in gold as well, or dividend-paying stocks such as larger gold producers. We're listed on the Frankfurt Exchange as trading as GV7 under Braylorn Gold Mines Limited, and we're also listed on the Canadian Exchange under BPM for the TSX Venture, and we're completing our listing for the US Exchange on the OTCQX, which will provide much more liquidity and a greater opportunity for shareholders to make larger margins in our stock.